Hello everyone, good evening. So we have seen how we can quickly create agents using Arc framework. Then we also have seen the high-level demo and the capabilities of LMOS. So I think now it's time for some action. I will show a demo of demonstrating the capabilities of LMOS ecosystem of multi-agent system. So I will try to replicate a real-life use case. So let's say a user walks into a media mart and he wants to buy a TV, but he doesn't know these technical specifications of the TV. So he will go up to a salesman, ask um, for his general query that I want a TV for this stuff. The salesperson will try to give him technical specifications fitting his requirement. But then there is another person in Media Mart which has the inventory of all the TV. So the user will go to that other person and he will present his technical specifications, and the inventory manager will give the list of all the televisions which matches his technical specifications. So in this demo, we will have two agents replicating these two user personas. One would be giving the technical specifications based on the user requirement. Other would be giving the product recommendations based on the technical specifications. So if we quickly see, if we quickly see, we have how many agents we have in our system. So right now we have news agent, product search agent, report generate agent. There are multiple agents installed in our Kubernetes cluster right now. Okay. Now we'll go to a local host installed UI using which we can chat with our ecosystem. So let's say I'm entering into the Media Mart and I'm asking a question that I am looking to buy a TV. Thank you. Okay. Is it not visible? I am looking to buy a TV which fits my, let's say, 8 by 10 feet wall with low sunlight, mm, and good sound. So the user doesn't know any technical specifications, what kind of uh, screen he needs, OLED, LED, and everything. So now agent will ask questions like a user, real life salesperson will, that what are your screen preferences size. So we can say mid-size screen, high resolution, low price. Let's take that, and streaming capabilities. So the first question was answered by the agent, uh, which is our technical specification agent, which basically tries to understand the user requirement and then spits out the technical specification of the of the TV. So this routing is happening behind the scenes, and also the agent discovery is also handled by our LMOS platform. So our LMOS ecosystem identifies the correct agent which is installed, and then based on it, it will also find the endpoint to which this user is, to which this agent is can be reached out. So now we have the uh, list of the TV based on the user requirement. This answer is basically given by the inventory manager agent, which basically is giving uh, all the TV which are in our inventory based on the user requirement. Then we have another agent which we developed in last 20 minutes, which we can try, which will be, yes. So behind the scenes, this uses function tool calling, which Pat has demonstrated. It is going to consume Google API, provide the technical specification, and get the result. I do not want to buy now. Can I have the list? So now there is a third agent which we saw, report generation agent. So the request should be forwarded to the report agent, and it will give a list which user can have and refer later and buy it later. Uh, it didn't work. We just built it at the last moment. So, but this demonstrates that how the LMOS ecosystem dynamically finds the correct agent for a user query, and then how it automatically discovers the endpoint of that agent, make the request, get the response, and present it to the user. Thank you. That's all.
Hi everyone. So yeah, here today I am going to show you an another agent that we have built. So here, when you want to create an agent, you can either go through like whatever Pat shown you earlier, like you are going to create that Spring Boot application and so on. But let's say if you don't want to go into that prompting thing, you have some requirements and you want an agent for that, right? So for that particular use case, we have this agent shaper agent already created. And what this agent shaper is going to do is it will shape an agent based on the inputs that user will provide, like what are the roles, what are the responsibilities of this agent, and based on that it is going to create another agent. I have already created one product manager agent, and yeah, I will create one software agent, and then we will start with some requirement. We will create an apping with this product manager, and then we will give the same the output of this product manager to our developer agent, and let's see how it performs. So, yeah, on to the agent shaper. Uh, let's Yeah. So we see, say, hi, I want to shape an agent, uh, and a software agent, software developer agent. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Great choice. So it wants us to describe it in more details, like what are the roles the agent can play. So let's say the agent should be very uh, skilled in Kotlin. Uh, he should be able to um, uh, break down the problems into uh, some sub problems, and then provide some solution as well. Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, understood. So this again looks great to our LLM. Yeah. Could it wants us to know like how the agent will interact with the users, what tone it will maintain. So there are some questions that it needs. So let's say it is gonna get description of the problem in some text form maybe, and yeah, the tone should be professional. Yeah. Okay, noted. We ensure the agent maintains a professional tone. Now it's asking follow me breakdown problems. Let's say we are saying, yeah, let's just create the agent. Yeah, it just wants us to. Okay, so this has already given us some sort of roles description or all things that we can start our agent with. So I will copy this part first. Let me then go to this arc spring init that I have already set up, and let me create another agent here that is software developer agent, right? now, yeah, here is the software developer agent, and we remove the all tools because we don't have any tools. And then we can put in what we got as input output from the shaper agent. So yeah, we remove certain things, and yeah, it's a fairly like simple kind of, but yeah, it has some powerful construct that it has role description, instruction, and some functions. So yeah, that's good. Let's just save it and yeah, go back to our browser, refresh, and yeah, we have the software developer agent already here, right? Now yeah, agent shaper has created our agent. Let's jump into uh, use case where we have product manager who will create an epic based on some use case that I will define, and then we will feed this information to the software developer if we can do some some demo like some demo code for us. So yeah, hi, I have a use case. Uh, yeah, now I am onto this product manager. I have a use case of developing a new uh, billing dashboard. Let's see. It's gonna reply. Yeah, I would be happy to help you with details, so and so. So it wants us that epic title and some more information. So let's just give the title. Let's call it customer bill dashboard. Great choice. Now, yeah. Now you can describe the primary goal of it. Yeah, surely. So in our dashboard, we uh, we should have we should show customer balance, current balance, active plans that he has, and maybe some last few bills. That's what we can give it to. Yeah. Now, yeah, it's asking some follow-up questions now for each feature. So these are like these are the features it has detected. Like there are several features, and it wants details of each feature. Like what is the expected outcome? Yeah. So let's just yeah, for current balance, we can just show the amount. Then for yeah, yeah, for active class, show the list of services customer has purchased, and for list of bills, we show the last 5 minutes. Yep. So we are creating our epic. Yeah. Yeah. Here we have. It has nicely defined our epic. So the epic has some epic title, description. The features are also listed. These are the 3 features, and then some acceptance criteria. So good to start with. Now I will copy this, and let's go to our software developer, because he's the one who is gonna do the actual work, implementing it into some code. Yeah. So hi, I have a new feature that needs to be implemented. Okay. So can you please provide me with a detailed description? So here we are gonna just put what we got from the. Okay. Let me open Sublime. Yeah. Great. Yeah, these are the epic details. I will just trim out the extra content, and now we can pass everything here, and let's see what our developer is gonna do. We are gonna give some timeline as well. Yeah, it's already taking some time. Yeah. So yeah, our developer has decided that these are the sub problems that it needs to tackle, and then there is some proposed solution as well. The proposed solution also have some steps. Then some reference document it wants us to refer to. Yeah, you can go here, Kotlin length so and so. Let's just ask. Can, can you do it now? Let's just try it. Yeah, thank you. Let's just see. Okay, it's not able to directly write or implement a code in a live environment. However, I can guide you through the process. So yeah, it's already like it's not gonna do the coding thing for us for now, but yeah, we can fine tune it to do the coding stuff as well. And like this is just one of the case, but apart from this, you will need certain other features or capabilities as well, like for writing codes, you will need access to Jira or Miro boards or some tools that you will need, right? So for that, probably you are going to create functions, and within those functions, you will you can call your Jira board APIs, Miro board APIs, like so. So um, I will ask Dharmendra. I will invite Dharmendra to give us a demo on that part as well. So, yeah, over to you, Dharmendra. Thank you.
Hello, hello. Am I audible? I hope everyone awake. Okay, so my friend Harish already explained about the agent shaper, and now I'll demonstrate the function shaper. So there's a similarity with the naming convention, but there's a different concept of function shaper and agent shaper. And why function shaper? So basically, we have three aspects why we need this function shaper. First is quick iteration and lifecycle management. Let's say once you create an agent, so there should be an iterative way which you have to, like, there is a frequently change in the requirement, so how you can iteratively change those and fulfill the requirement. Second aspect was can we replace a coding language with the NLP language? Because right now, like, mostly people says, can we use NLP as a programming language? So, and third aspect was uh, which is let's say that is uh, that is we discussed with the team, and we have identified based on the past experiences. So let's say we have, right now we are in the AI era, and before was the traditional development era. When the product come with a requirement, then there is a lot more time with the analysis. Let's say if product want to change some modification in the existing system, then they have to create a story, then go to the tech lead and architecture, they do analysis, and it requires some time. So we thought, can we replace, or can we find a solution to fulfill these three aspects? Okay, so I'll use the history, okay, because otherwise robot. Okay, okay, so let's start with the function shaper. So I'll just ask the question, hi function shaper, let's start the incremental. So it says, how can I assist you? So I'll say, today I was in call with the product owner. He suggests me he want to add some tax related informations. What domains would be impacted with this? Okay, so it suggests me there is a customer bill and there is a billing. So it's an existing code base which we have. So the LLM, we provide the access to the existing code base. We have our domain entities and we have a function templates. So we provide the access to the LLM, and LLM suggests me, okay, so if you want to add a modification which is a tax or billing related, so these are the two entities, which one you prefer? So I'll say, okay, billing looks good to me. Okay, so it's give me a real data. this is my real entity is the billing which has a product name only amount. And let's say I want to modify the tax information. So I'll say I want to include three kind of a taxes: recurring taxes, one-time taxes, and state taxes. Now the LLM is updating the code base. Now the entity has been changed. Okay. Then I'll say, okay, right now it's a demo, so we just use the update and update. Sorry, we are updating the code base, but not directly to the file system, but in memory. So right now the LLM is keeping it in memory, but in the future when we do a reshaping, then we also support a write operation to the same file system. Now then I'll say, okay, yes, looks good to me. Go ahead with and show me the function where it can be used. This. Okay, so it says this is the function. Okay, then I'll say, okay, looks good. Okay, so now you can see. Now I'll just say, as a product manager, this could be useful for the product owner as well and the developer also. So there's a requirement that generate some billing and mock data, and based on that modeling data, if user asks the question, okay, can you show me the function also where it is need to be updated? So you can ask, okay, okay, so this is a real my function template in our system. So we are using a get build function, and this is the existing code. And if I say, okay, can you update? Okay, now you can see the function has been updated, and now I'll ask the question. No, this is the output. Now if we can also directly, the product owner can also do kind of a stuff, and we can also quickly demonstrate, like, with this modification this would be the output. Are you happy with this output? If yes, then we can go, okay, just do a copy paste. There's a one way, or either we can tell the LLM, okay, just write the code. So this is all about of the function shaper. Thank you. And